What changes the glycemic index? In this video we look at ways to lower the glycemic index. There are several ways to reduce the glycemic index, such as food structure, resistant starch, cooking method and temperature, plant polyphenol, level of food processing. Food temperature can influence the glycemic index. Cooled rice has a lower glycemic index than hot rice. Food structure. Adding fiber slows digestion and reduces the rate of glucose absorption. Protein can interact with starch and decrease its breakdown. Healthy fats slow gastric emptying and overall digestion. The level of processing affects the glycemic index. More processed foods are digested faster and have a higher GI. Phenolic compounds can slow starch digestion and reduce the glycemic response. Whole grains, legumes, apples, grapes, and walnuts are sources of phenolic compounds that can help moderate the glycemic response. What you see here are different molecular forms of resistant starch, a type of starch that is not digested in the small intestine and leads to a slower rise in blood glucose. Several foods naturally contain resistant starch, including unripe bananas, cooked and cooled rice, beans and lentils, and whole grains. Regular consumption of high glycemic foods can lead to large blood glucose fluctuations, increased appetite, and over time weight gain. In contrast, choosing low glycemic foods helps stabilize blood sugar, promotes satiety, and supports healthy weight maintenance. Low glycemic index foods cause blood sugar to rise slowly and help prevent sudden spikes, which is especially important for people with diabetes. Knowing these points helps us make more informed food choices and maintain our health in the long term.